Hey there, digital nomads. Are you tired of spending all your hard-earned cash on exorbitant rent in expensive cities? Well, today we've got some good news for you. In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 affordable European cities that are perfect for digital nomads like you. Get ready to save some serious cash and discover some amazing opportunities. Welcome to Wealthy Life, where we help you find the best countries to live and invest in the world. In this video, we're going to take you on a journey to some of the most affordable cities in Europe for digital nomads. And don't forget, for all you digital nomads out there looking for affordable cities to live and work in, we have a bonus surprise at the end with steps on how to find the perfect destination for you. Bucharest. Bucharest, Romania's capital city, offers an enticing combination of affordability, fast internet speeds, and historical charm for digital nomads. A one-bedroom apartment in Bucharest costs around $350 per month, which is considerably lower than many other European cities. The city's architecture reflects its past, with medieval churches, neoclassical palaces, and communist-era buildings dotting the skyline. Bucharest is also home to many co-working spaces and cafes, making it an ideal location for remote workers. In addition to its affordability and history, Bucharest boasts a fast internet connection, comfortable accommodation, and delicious local cuisine. With its unique charm and rich cultural scene, including museums and theaters, Bucharest is a fantastic destination for digital nomads seeking inspiration and culture. Sofia. Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria, is an affordable and unique destination for digital nomads seeking a mix of ancient history, modernity, and nature. The cost of living is relatively low, with a one-bedroom apartment costing around $300 per month. The city's blend of ancient history and modern charm is reflected in its architecture, with landmarks such as the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral and the St. George Rotunda. Sofia also has a growing startup scene, plenty of networking opportunities, and numerous co-working spaces. The city's proximity to mountains and skiing areas makes it a perfect destination for nature lovers, while its delicious local cuisine and affordable prices make it a culinary delight for foodies. Zaragoza. Zaragoza, located in the northeastern region of Spain, is a unique destination that blends the country's traditional culture with modern amenities. The cost of living is relatively low, with a one-bedroom apartment costing around $500 per month. The city's rich history is reflected in its Gothic and Renaissance architecture, with the Aljaferia Palace dating back to the 11th century. Zaragoza also has a vibrant cultural scene, with plenty of museums and art galleries to explore. The city's delicious cuisine, including tapas and wine, makes it a culinary delight for foodies, and its growing startup scene and co-working spaces make it an exciting destination for remote workers seeking a community of like-minded individuals. Zagreb. Zagreb, the capital city of Croatia, is an affordable European city that seamlessly blends old-world charm and modernity. The historic center is filled with Gothic and Renaissance architecture, while numerous museums and art galleries showcase Croatia's rich cultural heritage. The cost of living is relatively low, with a one-bedroom apartment costing around $400 per month, and Zagreb is home to many co-working spaces and startup incubators. It's an ideal location for remote workers seeking a community of like-minded individuals. Proximity to stunning national parks and natural beauty spots make it a great location for nature lovers, and the city's laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle makes it an attractive destination for digital nomads. The vibrant nightlife scene is also a major draw for those looking for entertainment options. Palermo. Palermo, the capital city of the Italian island of Sicily, is a unique destination for digital nomads seeking a blend of ancient history, modern culture, and a growing startup scene. The cost of living is relatively low, with a one-bedroom apartment costing around $400 per month, making it an affordable location for digital nomads. The city's rich heritage is evident in its historic landmarks, including the Palazzo dei Normanni and the Cathedral of Palermo, while its street food scene is a major attraction for foodies. Palermo offers numerous co-working spaces and a laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle that encourages creativity and relaxation. The city's stunning natural scenery and warm climate provide easy access to beautiful beaches, hiking trails, and charming small towns, making it an ideal destination for those looking to balance work and leisure. With its unique blend of history, culture, and modernity, Palermo is a truly special destination that will inspire and captivate you as a digital nomad. Earlier in the video, we said we'll have a bonus surprise for you. If you're a digital nomad looking to live in Europe without spending too much, here are a few simple steps to find the most affordable cities to live in. Grab your notebook and let's get started. Visit Numbio's website, a crowdsourced global database of cost of living information. Search for the cities you're interested in living in. Compare the cost of living index between the different cities. Look for cities with a lower cost of living index. Research the cities further to see if they meet your other criteria, such as safety, internet speed, and local culture. Consider visiting the city before committing to a long-term stay. As a digital nomad, it's important to not only find affordable cities to live in but also to explore opportunities to grow your wealth. So, if you're ready to take your financial future to the next level, check out this video right here. Happy life and happy investing. I'll see you there.